Okay, we're live now.
Yeah, he's live. This is how he is when you're not live on Facebook also, he's live like this.
Firstly, welcome Anil sir and welcome Arjun. Welcome to the Facebook Mumbai office. How are you guys doing?
You can see it. How we haven't slept the whole night. He has slept at 8 o'clock in the morning. He had his dinner for 24 hours.
8 a.m. and I've slept, I've woken up and
Come straight
That's
away.
how I'm here.
Because we have been promoting the film Mubaraka, and good to see all of you all over here and to speak all of you. Hello. Please come. Facebook. आ जाओ.
Facebook पे आ जाओ और 28 जुलाई को पिक्चर देखने भी आ जाओ.
Well, firstly, we're really happy to have you guys here. Really
I think we are much more happier. More happy than,
Is this your first time in the Facebook office?
Yeah. I don't have a Facebook account also. Do I have?
No, you must be having for sure.
Yeah, of course I have.
You have many accounts.
Many accounts,
Yeah,
huh?
many bank accounts. I have a lot of accounts.
सब अकाउंट है, बैंक अकाउंट नहीं है. सब फिल्मों में डाल दिया.
But I've been here before. This is the first time.
Yeah.
Really cool office.
Cool office, yeah. Cool
Thank you.
office.
Thank you. So yes, very excited for
अरे
Mubaraka.
free iPad मिला हमको. Oh, अच्छा.
So yes, so you can see yourself and the fans who are tuning in. So while
But
the
now
fans,
Anil Chaju will not look anywhere except here.
No.
so while the fans tune in,
This is your test. You
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to not look at yourself.
No, of course I'm not going to look at it. I'm going to look at them. So who's going to interview us? Zuckerberg? Who's going to come?
Okay,
Who's going to come? Huh?
Today it's me.
It's you? Okay.
Yes, maybe the
Zuckerberg
next time
won't
you
come. No? I'm coming on Facebook. Huh? He's not going to come and interview us.
अरे
No?
Zuckerberg इंडिया नहीं आता आजकल.
नहीं अच्छा. I thought Facebook office में है तो obviously he'll come. No? He's a young guy.
हमारे लिए देसी Zuckerberg काफी.
Is he? Okay.
That's
Okay.
good.
Hello.
Yes. Okay. So while the fans tune in, this is your 10th film with Anees Bazmi, and this is the
No,
first
it's
time.
not my 10th
It's
film.
not.
It's 9th.
There's a rumor going around
It's
that this is your 10th.
ninth.
Anees.
Just one, we always,
So maybe there could be a Mubaraka part two
Yeah,
possibly.
I'm just hedging for the 10th one, but actually it's only ninth one.
Okay,
ninth.
and this is your first time working with Arjun. So tell us a little bit about this Madhouse. What is this movie?
No,
How-
it's a work in progress because we're going to do many more films together, hopefully.
It's amazing.
Fingers crossed. Yeah.
So yes, please tell fans about Mubaraka. What should they expect?
I think they've been watching the trailers, they've been seeing the content. I think when you promote a film, you put the energy out of a film. Obviously, that's the primary thing that happens is how you've gotten along, what the kind of film it is. It comes through in the way you project your personalities also. So I think it's been a tremendous experience for me learning-wise. It's been a family experience, yes, but it's just a very nice, sweet, fun film, and it deals with all the right emotions that are core Indian emotions at heart. So I'm sure आप सब जो देख रहे हो, you must be wondering, what is it that Mubaraka is different from a regular, I would say, comedy film? For me, as a young actor, I've never done a film that is so submerged in family values, in emotions, in those conflicts. And you must be saying, यार Anees Bazmi की picture ऐसे कैसे हो सकती? That is the beauty, that it's been just garnished in the right way, where you will have fun, you'll have a laugh, you'll have a blast, you'll enjoy great music, great performances, comedy. But there's a thought in the film that I think will resonate with a lot of people who are watching right now.
Very well said. And what about you, sir? How was your experience working with Arjun?
You said it.
No, I didn't say how was your experience working with me. They're asking मेरी तारीफ करने की.
If the experience was not good, you think I would have been here?
That's the. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. No, film wouldn't have been complete.
Complete, no? Yeah.
We would have had to reassess ये picture कैसे करनी
कैसे
है.
करना होगा?
Because it's so difficult working with family sometimes when you don't have the same, because it's not easy mixing personal and professional all the time. So I think the fact that we got along could have been detrimental, that we already had a relationship that was so casual. It could have been a complicated thing on set. Actually, it didn't complicate things, I think, because the script was also such.
I think the film and the relationship, grew organically. I think that's the best part of it. That we, came to know each other during the making of the film, and started with the prep, and then the casting, and the music, and then we shot a bit in India. Then we went to London. London was phenomenal. Fantastic.
My first proper Bhargav वाली picture. Foreign land में shooting करने का मौका मिला.
Actually, Arjun was, behaving as Arjun. Obviously, he doesn't know because he, was shooting for the first time. So fans coming to him, girls coming to him. यार मेरे लंदन में भी फैंस हैं. मेरे तेरी फिल्म लंदन में रिलीज होती है.
But I've done characters where I'm really playing heartland characters. मुझे मतलब किया निकाल के लिए दुबई तक चले गए थे और हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए कुछ दिनों के लिए न्यूयॉर्क तक पहुंचे.
न्यूयॉर्क नहीं ना, झूठ बोल रहे तुम नहीं. ज्यादा
साउथ अफ्रीका.
अभी तो बोल सकते रिलीज हो गई पिक्चर.
So while you were in London, do you think you picked up the British accent? Maybe one of you.
He's had it before he went to London, my boy.
Yeah. That's appalling. Indeed. What's up, lad? My boy.
He used to ask me, lad, you want some fish and chips in the middle of a regular conversation. Firstly, I used to be like, who's lad? And secondly, I'm allergic to seafood. Why do you want to kill me? He was just in character with his accent through the film.
What to do?
My boy, what to do?
Too much into character.
Amazing. Before we get into all the fun games that we have planned with you guys, quickly, if you want to just tell us about the characters you're playing 2 characters.
Yeah.
So if you know,
I needed 2 to handle 1.
Amazing. So if you guys just want to tell us about the characters you're playing and how is it different from what you've done before.
I play Karan and Charan. Karan is somebody who's born.
I think let's speak the other way around. Let me speak about both your characters.
Okay.
And you speak about my character.
Fantastic.
Okay? Because, you know...
I'll speak about Kartar.
Kartar, and I'll speak about Karan and Charan. So Karan is basically... Both are my brother's children, and Karan has been brought up in Chandigarh and... Karan has been brought up in London. See, that's the confusion of this film. Even I am confused. That is Anis Bazmi. And the best part, what he said was very good. That the audience is not going to be confused when they see the film. We were obviously going through. Because Anis has got everything in his head. So coming to that, Charan is
in Chandigarh. Charan.
Charan is a very obedient child of his parents, and Karan is somewhere like the way I am.
I was thinking you were going to say I'm like Karan. I was like, don't say that. Karan is
Karan
is one of those who's jugadu.
Yeah, jugadu.
Jhol master.
Jhol, full of smart, quick, absolutely quick, and So the way both the characters have come out are, obviously you had to work on the body language, how to make it different. The way, if you see the eyes also of both the characters, they have a different kind of like Charan is slightly softer in his eyes, and Karan is slightly there is a piercing look when you see and I think even the voice and the body language and the clothes obviously, and of course the best part about Charan is obviously the crown, the Taj, and oh God, I've seen many actors, and of course in real life also, but I think Arjun really looks fantastic as a Sardar, and I don't want to hype it too much. Obviously, I want people to go and watch the film, but I think it's these kind of genres is very difficult to really pitch yourself, perform. Surrounded by Ratna, Pawan, then Anis. Different. First time he's doing that kind of a film, so it was fantastic. I feel. Now.
Ab meri bari. Kaise
Kartar. What is Kartar, my friend? My boy. What's Kartar? What's the character like?
Kartar is heart. He's all heart. He's the heart of the film. He's the emotion. He's the positivity. He's somebody who makes this entire family come together. If he had his way, he's that one person that you crave for in every family. That one person that binds everything together. He gets along with everybody. He understands everybody. He's there for everybody. He's a selfless character. He's only trying to better things. He's always trying to make things simpler, easier, faster, better. And he's very understanding. He's very emotional. And I think that is the part where obviously when you do a comedy sometimes that doesn't come through. But I think I've seen the film now, and that's the best part about Kartar is that he's somebody you will relate to. You'll say, "Yaar, hamari family mein Kartar Singh hai yaar." That one uncle or that one relative or that one older brother or younger who always likes to make sure that the family gets together, sits together, eats together, lives together, sorts out their problems, has issues and is honest, but then doesn't let go. Every family needs a binding factor, and Kartar Singh is what holds this entire family together. And in a very strange way, like I said, he's the heart. Like Karan is the brains, and Charan is just an obedient guy who's getting trapped between heart and the brains. But eventually, Kartar is I would say, the heartbeat of this film. Kartar Singh is the reason this film reaches where it reaches. If Kartar's character was not there in the film, these characters would still be in these situations. He puts them in a tricky situation and he brings them out of it. He wants to always solve issues, and he's that kind of person that every family does have here.
Bus.
रुलाएगा क्या पगले?
क्यों रुलाएगा क्या पगले?
नहीं, आपने इतनी तारीफ की तो मुझे बैलेंस करना था ना।
इतना
करना पड़ता है ना, वरना लोग बोलेंगे हाउ सेल्फिश आर यू, didn't say anything nice about Anil Kapoor. Wow, fire.
Well, amazing. Well, I think on this amazing emotional note, we should move on to something fun. So since we're
Oh, you didn't have fun in this?
No. I mean, now to the game part basically.
So this wasn't fun for
This
you?
was just
Like-
setting the basics.
we enjoyed na as well.
No, we enjoyed it.
Yeah. So paisa vasool.
ठीक.
Okay. So basically now since we have the Chacha Bhatija in the
Yeah.
house, we want you guys to have an honest conversation with each other.
Sure.
So there could be certain things that sometimes.
I'm all ready. I have,
Amazing.
I've done a lot of homework. I believe in a lot of preparation.
Perfect.
So when I came here, can I wear my glasses, my
Yes.
friends? I've got very
I
strong
feel like
eyesight.
I'm-
I wear these glasses so that
I feel
I
like
can.
I'm Jamal from Slumdog
Yes,
Millionaire.
usually people wear glasses because they have weak eyesight. I wear it because I've got very, very powerful eyesight. And this, somewhere makes a little hazy and a little foggy. So have you ever crushed on any of my co-stars, my boy?
Where are my 4 options?
Sorry? Huh? Have you ever crushed on any of my co-stars? There are no options. And my co-star,
No,
there's Madhuri Dixit.
No, technically.
Aishwarya Rai.
Technically, I would have to say you worked with Priyanka and with Kareena, and I think I've crushed on both of them, and I've worked with both of them. So
Yes,
my
yes.
dreams do come true.
But Priyanka, she was my closer.
सलाम इश्क में तो
अच्छा, that time.
नहीं,
अच्छा।
पर मैं तो तब से टीनेजर था।
Teenager था, correct.
मेरे को तो allowed।
Okay. Have you ever thought, so Kareena and Priyanka, both of them,
हाँ, yeah.
you have to, actually, that's the reason you have 2 heroines in this film, huh? You don't like, एक से तेरा पेट नहीं भरता, हाँ? दो चाहिए, अच्छा, no, कोई बात नहीं, Have you ever thought, ये रोल मैं चाचा से better कोई कर सकता था, better कर सकता हूँ, sorry, have you ever thought ये रोल मैं चाचा से better, मैं चाचा से better कर सकता हूँ?
Any role of yours?
Yeah. Now I can see properly. Yeah, just saying. Correct. Right. I can see properly now. Say na.
How can I even think I can do any role better than you? That's
I'll tell you. There's one film which I had done.
Which one?
Heer Raja.
No.
Heer Raja. That's a film. Yeah.
I can't think of it.
Because
See, I can say I wish I got to do a role. Like if you ask me, like out of a lot of your films, there's one film which I feel came at such an interesting time in your life. I love Virasat as a role.
Virasat is my favorite also.
So it's as a role, I would say I wish I get to do a film like that. Where the arc is of a boy who comes from a different world and comes back to his roots and how he becomes the man of the people. So that I feel is a favorite film that I would love to do something like that.
I'm going to make the film video.
Done.
चलो ना मत कर देना.
कितने बजे शुरू करनी shooting बताओ.
Done. Have you ever lied to me about your love life? I think you lie every day.
Yeah, I can't deny that.
Yeah, deny.
I've got so used to not being 100% honest about my love life because of so many media questions कि अभी family से भी झूठ निकल ही जाता है कभी-कभी.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं भी ऐसे ही था. Have you, so I can't see. Oh, sorry, let me remove, or let me wear it. Have you ever been jealous of my hair, abs?
Your hair, yeah. But thankfully I think somewhere
I think you are,
genetically हमारा वो connection तो है वो family में.
My father and your dadu.
Yeah, so I think we've got the.
Till he was 86.
Yeah.
Solid hair.
I think dad is very upset that it passed to me. In between, he didn't get the gene, and I got it. You and me both got it. Even Harsh doesn't have this gene.
No. ऐसा मत बोलिए. Career शुरू कर रहा है.
No. What I mean is, he doesn't have the same bounce in the hair. ना हम दोनों के बाल एकदम same.
Yeah,
जुड़वा बाल है हमारे.
जुड़वा बाल है.
He's got the different hair.
Yeah.
He's got the side floppy hair too.
Like Ryan Gosling and Batman.
Yeah, he's international.
He's international. Yeah. Have you ever been? Oh, sorry. Sorry, I can't see. Okay, no problem. What do you think is one strength and one weakness of mine? What do you think is one strength and one weakness of mine? I think I've got all strengths.
Weakness?
There's no weakness. There's no weakness. Weakness is, what is my weakness? Weakness of
I think your weakness is your
food. Rajma chawal.
No, I think your
chicken.
weakness is your wife, and your strength is your wife.
Next. मेरी girlfriend से गई. Do you agree that I am Anees Bazmi's favorite during the shoot of Mubaraka?
Actually, Sonam is your biggest weakness. That everybody knows.
Yeah, Riya is my weakness.
No, Riya is your strength.
No, Riya is my weakness. Riya
is your weakness?
Yeah.
And Sonam?
Sonam and
Harsh?
Sunita is my strength. Riya is my weakness. And Harsh and Sonam, they can handle it. Yeah. They can handle themselves. You know, me and Ria bond together, and we're going to bond for a long, long time. हो गया यार, इससे ज़्यादा क्या? आगे बढ़ो यार.
Arjun's turn.
So, Chachu.
How am I looking?
Outstanding, mind blowing, fantastic, jackass.
Yeah. Come on, boy.
Who was your first girlfriend?
My first girlfriend was... Who was my first girlfriend? My first girlfriend was Sunita. Sonu. Baby.
And you got married to her.
I got married.
So, जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा
अच्छा
था,
मैंने सोचा कोई बोलूं, फिर मैं suddenly wife का close up आया. I said, let me start lying straight away. Wife, yeah, Sunita. My first girlfriend.
But tell me honestly, did you feel I'll become an actor when you saw me growing up in those days?
No, not at all.
Because even I didn't believe it for
Even I,
years.
no, not at all. Not at all. Not at all, not at all, not at all.
Okay, I'll go very quickly.
Yeah.
So, actually, I think this answer, I wanted to ask you which character or which film would you imagine of yours that I could do it?
I think the best I feel the best would be Wo Saat Din. Yeah. You have a certain rooted feel about yourself.
Prem Pratap
Yeah,
Patel.
you look rooted, You look rooted.
उसकी rights तो अपने पास ही हम बना सकते हैं.
Next, done. 100%. Wo Saat Din.
चलो done.
If I'm sitting here, it's because of Wo
Wo
Saat
Saat
Din.
Din.
Yeah. Wo Saat Din.
Babu sir.
Babu Saab, K. Bhagiraj, story, screenplay, dialogues, and then Jain Saab, Gulzar Saab, Ranjit Kapoor, all of them. And Padmini Kolhapuri, Nasruddin Shah, Neelu Phule.
And you with the harmonium.
Me at the
You
harmonium.
play such a character in that time when everybody was doing. Sikha tha.
I was into the crowd.
Method.
I know. Yeah, cut my hair. The Baba cut my hair. Really, seriously.
You went to.
Yeah, Dadi was very upset. यार अच्छी बड़ी
आधे तेरे बाल काट दिए.
आधे बाल तेल काट दिए. चोर बाजार से मैंने जैकेट लिया. Method.
You were Daniel Day-Lewis before Daniel Day-Lewis.
Better.
यार ये सवाल मैं नहीं पूछने वाला.
हाँ.
I don't think it's time for me to get married. You feel it's time for me to get married? नहीं ना. हाँ. Okay.
You and her should not get married only. Absolutely. Yeah.
That's a very strong change of stance in the last 1 week.
ये दिल की बात. अरे have a good time, have a blast. Yeah.
Chalo, the last question again. What
Yeah.
is my strength and my weakness?
Your strength?
And my weakness, according to you.
I think your weakness is Anshula.
Yeah.
Okay. And your strength is all of us. You know that we all are there always for you.
Yeah.
Always. Especially your Sonam.
Who's only concerned all the time.
She's always concerned. Sonam.
Sonam is actually concerned 24/7.
Yeah. She's your.
Yeah. She called me yesterday also to check.
Yeah.
She's pretending to check on you, but she's actually checking on me.
Yeah. Sonam is. I can.
And then when she realized I'm okay, then she said, "Okay, I'll talk to you later." She shut the phone in the middle of the conversation.
Yeah. It's very rare that she comes. He's a very nice. My dad is a very nice guy. He's a very, very nice guy. I said, why are you telling me? Of course I know it, yaar.
अब वो मेरा रिश्तेदार है, मेरा भी रिश्तेदार.
Done. Next.
Amazing. I think with this, we've taken out all the honesty, and I think now it's time to play another game, which is.
Achha, let's do the sweating part of it. Can we?
You'll have to keep doing it while it's going on.
Why not? Let them see. हम लोग human beings.
हम लोग touch up कैसे
करते हैं? Hello. Next.
Yes. So you want to do this while we're playing the game?
Yeah.
Of course. Why not?
You can continue talking.
Yeah.
Yes. So the cue cards are right in front of you. So that's 5-second rule, and I have the buzzer with me. So when you hear this sound, that means your 5 seconds are over.
Okay.
So who wants to go first?
Let Anil Chachu ask me first.
Okay.
Always better.
My eyesight becomes very weak with these glasses. Yeah. Name 3 of your favorite beverages.
Coffee, cold coffee, lassi.
That's how.
Oh, it's a 5 second. Oh, literally like 5 seconds.
Name 3 animals that start with the letter A.
Ant is an animal or not?
Name 3 animals that start with the letter A. Name 3 ways to say hello.
Hi, how are you doing? और बाकी सब घर पे कैसे फर्स्ट क्लास?
Name 3 of my films with Jackie Shaw.
राम लखन अंदर बाहर रुकी नहीं चोरों का राजा.
Name 3 things you haters call you. Your haters call you. 3 things your haters call you.
गेंडा. But I couldn't remember. I don't have too many haters, maybe then. I couldn't. This is a good answer to lose. I think purposely I didn't answer it.
The people who love you, they call you Chachu.
The people who love me, they call me
Chach.
No, I think I've been called
Chachu, Chach, Arjun.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
But haters have some bizarre names.
आगे बढ़ो, आगे बढ़ो. Don't, yeah, you should not.
सोचना ही चाहिए.
सोचना ही चाहिए. आगे बढ़ो, मेरे जैसा. अरे यार सक्सेसफुल है तो हेटर तो रहेंगे.
हाँ, वो तो जरूरी है.
Your
gauge of success.
या haters नहीं हुए तो समझ लो कुछ गड़बड़ है.
अगर किसी को जलन नहीं हुई तो.
Yeah, I couldn't. You know, I was seeing you very. Sorry. Once more, name 3 female co-stars you have acted with. Name 3 female
co-stars. Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra, Kareena Kapoor.
Name 3 things you like to do on a weekend.
Sleep, eat, chill.
Name 3 perfume smells. Name 3 perfume smells.
Comme des Garçons, there's Tom Ford Black Orchid, there's Bulgari the Man.
Name 3 fun activities.
You pressing the buzzer because I'm talking.
Now, name 3 fun activities to do in London.
Watch movies, watch plays, and eat great food.
Fantastic. Now your turn, my friend.
The first question doesn't count because I didn't know it was 5 second rule. You're taking that seriously. Like, I thought कि suddenly भगवान से क्या
I have friends, you know how competitive he is. You know, ये सब बोलने की बात है. He was very competitive with me. Come on, next.
Ready? Name 3 fun illegal things to do.
3 fun illegal things. 5 seconds gone because I do everything legally. Yeah.
I lose this game there only. Name 3 ways to surprise your parents.
Just go and meet them, hug them, kiss them, say I love you.
सही जवाब. आपका अगला प्रश्न. Name 3 things you did on your 18th birthday.
18th birthday. I just said, called up all my 3 girlfriends.
But that's one thing.
Sorry?
You made 3 calls, but it's still one thing.
Yeah, 5 minutes over.
Name any 3 films with Madhuri that you've done.
Ram Lakhan, Tezab, Parinda.
Name 3 football players.
Virat, Sachin Tendulkar. क्या बात कर रहे हो? Football. Rolando.
You could have said Pele, Maradona.
नहीं अपने सब ये सब फुटबॉल भी क्रिकेट भी सब.
Ronaldo.
हाँ जो भी है. आगे बढ़ो. हाँ? Hello. Time is time.
Name 3 films you've done with Anis Bhai.
Anis Bhai, No Problem, and No Entry, and Mubaraka.
Okay. Name 3.
Sing is King.
But you're not in Sing is King.
Huh?
Where are you in Sing is King?
Sing is King, I was not there.
Why are you being like Gajini suddenly?
Sorry यार, एज से थोड़ा Alzheimer हो गया.
What rubbish है? She, tu.
At least I can do that role well now.
Okay, name 3 other Kapoors from other Kapoor families. अपनी छोड़ के.
Yeah, Rishi Kapoor, Shami Kapoor, Shashi Kapoor.
बस हो गया ज़्यादा.
Shikhar Kapoor.
नहीं हो गया आंसर नहीं.
Amazing.
Done. Thank you.
Yes. So I think that.
But Harsh is going to be very upset. He's going to ask you who's Rolando for sure.
Okay, so Arjun, I'm going to ask you to do this because the screen is right in front of you.
Okay.
Please read out some fan comments, say hi to a few people, and
I can continue scrolling, right? Scrolling. I'll have to scroll upwards, right?
I mean, you
to
can
start.
scroll up, down, just take a few names, say hi.
Okay.
Please tell Anil sir what some fans are saying.
Okay.
And they would love to talk to you.
So Swati is saying, "Hi Anilji, my favorite movie is Ram Lakhan Dhinadhin Tha. I think no interview is complete without the mention."
Thank you, Swati. Thank you.
Okay, Yangchen Bhatia saying, "Looking so handsome." I'm assuming that's more for Anil Kapoor than for me.
Thank you.
But he's taking it up.
I take this compliment.
Gara, I love you too. Thank you for all the love. Okay, I'm trying to find.
Why are you scrolling? They're all haters or what?
No, I'm trying. They all are saying hi in the beginning. No?
Oh, hello.
I'm trying to find
hi,
questions.
hi.
Yeah, because this is for, I scrolled up. No?
Yeah.
So Mayuri Chaudhary is asking, what is your most beautiful memory while shooting this movie?
The dinner we went to, and we had the Sri Lankan food.
The last at Hoppers when the entire team.
Yes, we all We didn't drink at all. We didn't eat at all.
हाँ बिल्कुल
We
नहीं.
all were on a
और
diet.
हमने बिल्कुल फोटो खिंचा के इंस्टाग्राम पे नहीं डाले.
नहीं डाले.
So Binish Kavar Kadri Sayyed from Australia is asking, AK, you still look the same. कौन सी जड़ी बूटी लेते?
मैं उसका बिजनेस शुरू कर रहा हूँ. I'm coming to Australia. You want the agency for that? Let me know, okay?
जड़ी बूटी.
जड़ी बूटी का एजेंसी ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए बहुत पैसे कमाएंगे हम दोनों.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you for loving my character and half girlfriend. और कौन है? Nanda, most welcome that we've come live. All the best. They all are saying thank you to everybody who's saying all the best to us. यार सब हाय हाय बोल रहे हैं अभी तक तो.
Please, they would love it if you just like take their names and say hi to a few people.
Okay. So Priti is saying your jhakas. Mayank Raj is asking what is the secret of Anil Kapoor? What is your secret
What's my secret?
of the way you are? I guess.
Secret of my what? Of my sexuality, of my success, of my health, of my looks.
I don't think anybody we should tell also.
Why?
नहीं अभी बोलो. ऐसे.
What do you want? What's my secret?
Okay, I'll ask you,
about
what
my
is-
emotion,
I'm-
my love,
No, I'm saying
my love for my work, passion. What?
No, what is the secret of you surviving the ups and downs of your career? That I can ask.
Because I don't take myself seriously. I take my work seriously.
Well, you said this, that day.
Yeah.
Santan Shroff is saying hi, and I found a question and it went away. Anjali Gupta saying your style is awesome, Anil Chachu. You both look the same. Priti, thank you. And who's your favorite actor in Bollywood except?
Except myself, right?
Yeah, I was going to say that, but then you only said.
Yeah. Who's my favorite actor? I think. Can I name 3, please?
Yeah.
Huh? Dilip Kumar?
The moment you took another actor's name, Bhagwan ne ishara kiya.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure fans can hear that. I think there's a fire.
Has somebody lit a fire after we arrived? Like, light my fire, baby. Which actor do you? Which actor do you like? They're asking the same question.
Sorry, what?
There are a lot of people asking which other actor except for yourself have you admired?
Admire.
Let's say from before you, your contemporary, and now, like that way you can get 3 separate. So like while you were growing up.
So when I was growing up, it was Dilip Kumar and
when you
Raj
started
Uncle.
working?
Raj Uncle.
When you started working.
Then when I started working, it was Kamal Hassan, Nasiruddin Shah, and Amitabh Bachchan. And then
Now in the last 20 years.
Anil Kapoor. Now, future, present, contemporary.
Will you be doing any more films together? We would love to, and I think the idea is to make entertaining films. So I kind of look forward to doing many more films with him and with the rest of my family members also. The script has to be good.
Yes, of course. But among the actors, I like you, Arjun, a lot, and I liked Ranveer in Bajirao. And of course, I liked Ranveer in Apna Barfi, I called him up. Yeah. And I liked Varun in the last film,
Badri Ki
Dulhan, yeah. And then which performances of the girls I liked recently? I liked Sonam in Nirja. I liked Deepika and Piku. I liked
Alia was very good in Urta Punjab.
Urta Punjab I've not seen. I've not seen Urta Punjab. Very good. I just saw portions of it. I've not seen the whole film, so I can't.
One of my, I think the girls in Dangal.
Yeah.
Yeah. If we get a chance to see all 4 of them.
All 4 of them. Sakshi, both the girls, daughters, the younger daughters.
All 5 of them. They were all the fantastic. I think superb they were. So. Super. Big shout out to Dangal.
Yeah.
ऐसा तो नहीं कि आप देख रहे होंगे पर अगर देख रहे हो
नहीं it was really good, yeah. And of course Amir was phenomenal in that.
Which is the favorite place that you shot in Anil Chachu? Akshay D'Souza wants to know.
The favorite place, Cape Town.
He's asked both of us.
I love Cape Town.
You love Cape Town?
I love Cape Town. I was there shooting for my show. Obviously many times,
Recently,
but this time I really discovered Cape Town and shooting with this show for Amazon called Facebook में Amazon की तारीफ कर सकता हूँ ना?
Of course.
Of course, yeah.
Amazon की तारीफ आप कहीं भी कर सकते
हो. तो वो शो किया मैंने अपना Oasis. Hopefully it should be greenlit and hopefully the world will see it. Fingers crossed. Otherwise, आगे बढ़ो.
Ashima, thank you for your compliment. What else was there? They want you to sing. There's a girl called Jagruti. She wants you to sing 2 lines from एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे खिलता गुलाब जैसे. आगे
नहीं समझ गए, वो उतना समझ गए. जैसे शायर का ख्वाब,
जैसे शायर का ख्वाब,
जैसे उजली किरण, जैसे
वन में हिरण.
हाँ हिरण.
yes yes.
होता आपने एक्टर के साथ भी होता है कभी-कभी यार, लाइन भूल सकते हैं.
You know, but usually I never really go back. I never really.
1942's music is worth.
I did the film because of the music.
Music.
I swear.
R.D.
Honestly,
Burman.
I had for a year. I was saying I don't want to do this film. Then they made me hear the music. I said, done. Especially they made me hear Kuch Na Kaho. Yeah, I love that song. Yeah.
Super music. Lot of songs in the film.
ऊपर से मैं गा रहा था मनीषा के साथ.
Innocent Mughal wants to know, are you doing Welcome 3?
3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully, till we are, all depends.
Aditya Sharma is asking how much fun was it working with Chacho. I think you can see how much fun we had. The film actually happened just like this. We just kept fooling around, joking around, and we kept working hard when we needed to. And we had a blast. और कौन है? यार आप लोग अभी बाकी एक्टर के बारे में पूछ रहे हो.
सबको hello, hi. Whoever have said hello, hi.
Gada wants to know what is my height. I'm 6 feet. Exactly.
Just about 2 inches shorter to me, right?
I'm always shorter than you.
Yeah. And actually, I'm shorter to him.
And और कौन है? एक second.
And maybe you can take like one last question. And
One
let's
last question?
come back
Okay.
To Mubarka.
Yeah. So wait. Which is your नहीं ये तो you answered. Which is your favorite movie in the recent times? Was you answered. So Malika Patil wants to know how difficult is a double role to shoot. Well, Malika, it is difficult, and Mubaraka was very challenging. I think not only for me but for all the other actors who were part of it also, because they also have to put a lot of time and effort to doing the scene again and again. They have to do it for Karan once, then for Charan once. They have to be there for Q sometimes, even though their performance won't be there. So it's a lot of complications, but it's great fun because I think that's what gives a added dimension, at least in Mubaraka, the fact that double role हम साथ में थे दोनों, where Karan and Charan are together with Kartar. It wasn't like Karan is leaving and Charan is entering. It wasn't like in isolation you're seeing the brothers together. You're always seeing them as a unit together. So that was very exciting, and I think Anees Bhai did a fantastic job in bringing both of them together and come alive in scenes. So full credit to the team and of course all the fellow actors, because no performance is complete in a film like Mubaraka where you have so much of VFX and technicality without the patience and hard work of people around.
Amazing. So Mubaraka, the word, obviously the movie is a comedy film.
Yes.
It's a very light-hearted film. What does the word Mubaraka mean to you?
See,
guys?
you can't say it's a comedy film. It's a, basically I feel, what happens sometimes. It's a very, it's an entertaining film. It's a wholesome film.
But with the heart.
With the heart, yeah, it is.
Yeah, what does the word Mubaraka mean to you guys? Because I know it's congratulations, right? But
I think it's celebration. It's celebration of positivity. It's
it's just a positive title.
Exactly. Yeah. It's just for example, you say congratulations.
Bachcha hua hai.
Yeah, Mubaraka.
Shadi Mubaraka.
Congratulations.
घर पे बच्चा हुआ Mubaraka.
Okay. So
haircut तुम्हारा अच्छा Mubaraka.
Yeah.
आज तुम सुबह टाइम पे आ गए Mubaraka.
Yeah.
Traffic नहीं मिली Mubaraka.
Amazing.
Actually, we should stop saying cheers. We should say Mubaraka.
Mubaraka. Amazing. So I think that is a new trend that we can start, and we want to see if we can test it out with you guys. So basically, every bad news has a silver lining, is what we believe in. And if
you're a very positive person.
I'm a very, very positive person.
Is your blood group B positive?
It is, very strangely. So
people at this point have hit me through the.
So basically, I'm going to give you guys a piece of news which could possibly be a bad news, but you have to put a positive spin to it and make it Mubaraka. Okay?
Right. Let's try this.
Yes,
at the risk of.
So you have to look into this camera.
No, we are looking at this camera. If you think it's a mistake, we're looking at you. You're looking at this camera.
And you have
We're
to
looking at the
make you
people.
a fan, basically.
Mubaraka, nobody's looking at you. Mubaraka. Is that how we're supposed to spell it?
Yes.
Very
Perfect.
good. चलो पहला वाला हो गया आगे.
So पहला वाला is your best friend has been abducted by aliens and they're conducting science experiments on him.
That's the best news for you.
Mubaraka. You finally got a way to get out of this planet and discover something that Hollywood is trying to show us for the last so many years. You are actually the chosen one. Mubaraka.
Okay. I have failed my exams.
Mubaraka, you will work extra hard next year and you will never slack in life after this. Mubaraka, it's a big lesson. जो मेरे साथ हो चुका है.
मेरे साथ भी. मैं एक्टिंग में फेल हो गया था. पुणे इंस्टीट्यूट. Yes.
Dude, I crashed your car.
मुबारक नई गाड़ी लेने वाले तुम यार, क्या बात है यार. वो अच्छे ले लो ना. और इस बार कलर ये ब्लैक ब्लैक सबके पास है. सिल्वर, आई थिंक गोल्ड, स्प्रे पेंट मार के गोल्ड.
और इंश्योरेंस से डबल लेना.
I think we need to break up.
मुबारक, you're finally getting rid of me. How lucky are you? जान छूटने वाली है. मुबारक. Now you can go and meet all those amazing boys in the world. I am setting you free because clearly I am not good enough for you. Mubarak, I've said it. What you were waiting for all these years.
I think we can do like how to break up, like, you know, with a positive spin, like masterclass with Arjun. I think that way nobody would want to break up with you. How would you ever? Anyway,
is that a compliment or not? I'm very confused.
Mubarak.
Mubarak.
Yes. Anyway, okay, and the last one is.
It's a backhanded something. I don't think it's a compliment. I don't know what it is.
Anyway, okay, and the last one is you only have 24 hours to live. How will you put a positive spin to this?
I just sleep, yeah. I just sleep, yeah.
With this, I don't think anybody can put a positive spin.
How will you break it to someone if you have to say you only have 24 hours to live?
Yeah, I don't think you should ever be the torchbearer of that.
No, I think you should just go to sleep with the loved one, yeah. The loved ones, you know, absolutely you have 24 hours, just sleep.
But Mubarak को नहीं बोल पाओगे उस समय.
हाँ? नहीं, of course.
24 बोल पाएंगे क्योंकि आपका शो है.
हाँ यार, 24 की तो ऑलरेडी की नहीं. 24 third season is coming, okay? I promise you, 24 third season is going to be the best season.
इसी बात के लिए मुबारक है. 24 का season 3 आ रहा है. मुबारक.
मैं आगे की चीजों को प्रमोट करना शुरू कर देता हूँ. Which is the next film you're doing? I'm doing Fun I Khan. I'm doing 24 third season. What are you doing?
Dibakar Banerjee's next called Sandeep or Pinky Farar. And I'm also doing.
उसमें कोई कॉप करोगे? कॉप?
मैं कॉप हूँ.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Okay, anyway. Well.
उसमें परिणीति का रोल है.
हाँ, sorry.
उसमें परिणीति का रोल है.
नहीं, वो रोल मुझे चाहिए.
That was amazing. Thank you so much for taking time out and spending your day at the Facebook office. Before we let you go, please address your fans, give them a little message, and if you want to talk about Mubaraka, what I would recommend is maybe use Punjabi, Hindi, and not English, so that we reach out to everyone, and it's a message that can be shared.
यार हम तो हिंदी में बात करने के लिए तरसते, हम इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि आपने इतने इंग्लिश हेयर कट करा के इंग्लिश कपड़े पहने.
देखिए, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, साड़ी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है 28 जुलाई को.
कल.
हाँ, कल हो रही है ना. आज 27 है. डेट की है 26, 25, 24, 28 में वजन है. 28 जुलाई.
28 जुलाई को
फिल्म रिलीजिंग ऑन 20 जुलाई. जस्ट प्लीज गो एंड सी इट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारी फिल्म 28 जुलाई को रिलीज हो रही है. प्लीज देखिए. और अभी हमने जो भी किया है इज ऑल फॉर यू. आई होप यू हैड अ नाइस टाइम लिसनिंग टू ऑल. वी हैड अ ब्लास्ट स्पीकिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल. सी यू अगेन.
Arjun, any last words?
थैंक यू यार. आप लोग हमें देख रहे हैं इस वक्त. आप लोग सवाल भेजते हैं, कभी कभी प्यार भेजते हैं, कभी कभी दुआएं भेजते हैं. आई थिंक वी आर ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ यू ऑल. यू आर द ऑडियंस. यू गाइस डिसाइड द फेट ऑफ आवर फिल्म्स. वी वर्क वेरी हार्ड टू एंटरटेन यू ऑल. और आई थिंक हमने मुबारक अभी इसीलिए बनाई है, आप सबके लिए बनाई, और किसी के लिए नहीं बनाई. हमने हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए बनाई है. तो मैं दुआ करता हूँ, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप जहाँ पर भी हैं, हिंदुस्तान में नहीं, दुनिया भर में जहाँ पर भी हैं, आप जाके ये फिल्म जरूर देखिए. बिकॉज अकेले मत जाना, पूरे फैमिली को ले जाना, सबको ले जाना. जिनको नहीं जानते उनको किडनैप करके ले जाना. और ये पिक्चर जरूर देखना. कल आ रही है 28 जुलाई, यानी कि कल. मुबारक आपके नजदीकी और दूर वाले सिनेमा घर में भी.
Amazing. Thank you so much and all the best for Mubaraka.
Thank you.